In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bank account in Xero. Whether you're tidying up your account list or removing an unwanted account, this simple process will ensure your chart of accounts remains clutter-free. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, you'll need to access your Xero account. Log in with your credentials and navigate toward the accounting menu located at the top of the dashboard. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see several options appear in a drop-down. From this list, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. This section houses all your accounts and is an essential tool for managing your financial records. Now, you'll need to locate the bank account you wish to remove. Remember, in Xero, bank accounts will be clearly marked with an account type labeled as Bank. This makes them easier to identify if you have a long list of accounts. Browse through the list until you find the correct one. It's important to ensure that the account you choose to delete is indeed the one you no longer need, so take a moment to double-check your selection. Once you've found the bank account, look for the checkbox next to the account name. You'll want to select this checkbox, which indicates to Xero that this is the account you intend to delete. It's always wise to be cautious during this step to avoid any unintended deletions, as once an account is removed, any historical data specifically linked to it may also become inaccessible. With the account selected, turn your attention to the top of the list where you'll find the Delete button. Give this button a click, initiating the removal process for the account you've selected. It's a straightforward action and a vital step in ensuring your chart of accounts stays relevant and manageable. Upon clicking Delete, Xero will prompt you with a confirmation dialog box. This additional step is a safety feature designed to prevent accidental deletions by asking, "Are you sure?" Confirm your action by clicking OK. This final step will successfully remove the unwanted bank account from your chart of accounts. And there you have it. Deleting a bank account in Xero is as simple as that. By keeping your chart of accounts organized and free of unused entries, you're ensuring your financial reporting tools are as efficient as possible. Always remember to consider the importance of any data linked to the bank account before making the decision to delete. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful Xero tips and tricks.